I'm going to show you how to make a GIF in less than 1 minute without using Photoshop. So let's get started. If you are using a mobile device, go to Google Play and download this GIF maker. There are two versions available, a free version and a paid version without ads. Let's try the free version. After you open the app, choose the option Video to GIF. Simply upload your video, confirm in the top right corner, confirm again, and then tap OK. Close the app, check your gallery, and here you go. You've just created a GIF from a video. If you are using a PC, Google GIF Maker and easygif.com is the best option because you don't need to log in. Click on Choose File, upload your video, scroll down and click Upload Files. The next step is scroll down and change the frame rate to 33 for maximum smoothness. The final step is to click Convert to GIF. Then right-click on the GIF and download it. Let me know in the comments if you pronounce it as a GIF or GIF. Thanks for watching and see you one click later.